Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our CT5 start-stop battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Here's the charger itself. It's got a tough sealed plastic case, power lead, and a charge cable with CTEK's unique Easy Fit Comfort Connect system. You'll also get a clamp lead for quick connection to the battery. Plus, there's an M6 eyelet lead for a more permanent connection if your start-stop battery's in a difficult place to get to. You can connect either of these leads to the battery's positive terminal and the ground or earth lead to a suitable point on the vehicle body. Both of these leads have Comfort Connect plugs, so you can connect them straight to the charger quickly and securely. It also means you can add other CTEK accessories fitted with the Comfort Connect system if you need them. Finally, there's a fold-out instruction booklet and accessory leaflet which shows you how to use the charger and gives you all the technical specifications. And that's the CT5 start-stop battery charger and maintainer unboxed. Thank you for watching.